How to start turmeric-based value-added products business. Greetings and welcome to our most recent YouTube video, in which we explore the dynamic realm of the business for turmeric-based value-added products. You've come to the correct spot if you are an entrepreneur searching for a fantastic chance. Our topic of discussion today is the best manufacturing business ideas in the turmeric industry. Keep checking back as we explore the possibilities of curcumin extraction, turmeric oleoresin, oleoresins and spice oils, as well as turmeric processing and cultivation. Why start a turmeric-based business? Why entrepreneurs should consider turmeric-based businesses. The golden spice turmeric is no longer limited to the kitchen. Why would an entrepreneur want to think about this sector? The increased demand for natural health products around the world holds the answer. Because of its therapeutic qualities, turmeric is becoming more and more popular in the food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries. This growing trend offers business owners a special chance to enter a sector that is both conventional and cutting edge. Best manufacturing business ideas in the turmeric-based value-added products. Curcumin extraction. Exploring the realm of curcumin extraction, we find a lucrative and intriguing method. This process entails separating turmeric roots, bright yellow component, curcumin. This enterprise not only serves the health sector but also the food and cosmetics industries, providing a highly sought-after product with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. Turmeric oleoresin. Ginger turmeric's essence is captured in oleoresin, a concentrated form that comes in a flexible liquid form. The flavor, color, and scent of the spice are all preserved during the extraction process, which makes it a priceless culinary component. This business concept appeals to both chefs and food manufacturers since it promises a powerful, natural product. Spice oils and oleoresins. Entrepreneurs can enter a sector brimming with opportunity and diversity by venturing into the world of spice oils and oleoresins. In this section, the oil and resin from a variety of spices, including turmeric, are extracted to produce concentrated compounds that are utilized in medicine, aromatherapy, and flavoring. It's a broad sector with many doors to different markets and lots of chances for creative product development. Turmeric cultivation and processing. The business concept turmeric cultivation and processing addresses the full supply chain of turmeric from farm to market. Growing the turmeric plant and processing it into different forms, such as powder, extracts, or oils, are both part of this process. It's an end-to-end business that appeals to entrepreneurs who are enthusiastic about natural products and agriculture because it gives them control over the quality and supply chain. Market demand and business potential. Exploring the market demand for turmeric products. Products made with turmeric are in high demand on the market. Customers are looking for natural substitutes like turmeric for wellness and health advantages as they grow more health conscious. This change has raised consumer demand for products infused with turmeric across a range of industries, opening up a profitable market for business owners to investigate and take advantage of. Financial structure and investment. Navigating the financial aspects of turmeric businesses. Any entrepreneur must comprehend the financial structure. Depending on the size and nature of the product, a turmeric business may need a different initial investment. Nonetheless, business owners may provide a strong basis for success and expansion in this industry with a carefully thought-out financial framework that includes funding, budgeting, and cost research. Machinery and production. Machinery and technology in turmeric processing. It's crucial to comprehend the equipment and technologies required in starting a turmeric business. Appropriate technology guarantees efficiency, quality, and adherence to industry standards, from processing equipment for spice oils to extraction machines for oleoresin and curcumin. Investing in contemporary technology can greatly increase output and improve the quality of the final product. Break-even point and rate of return. Calculating the break-even point and expecting returns. Knowing the break-even point and estimated rate of return is crucial for businesses. These measurements are dependent on a number of variables in the turmeric sector, including market pricing, sales volume, and production costs. Entrepreneurs can strategically plan for long-term success and profitability by evaluating these. Conclusion. The market for value-added products based on turmeric presents a plethora of business options. This business is ready for innovation and expansion, from the diverse range of products like turmeric oleoresin and curcumin extraction to the health-conscious consumer market. Recall that the secret to success is having a thorough understanding of the machinery, financial structure, market demand, and profitability strategy planning.